what's up everybody? It's DZ here, back with another unboxing video, or should I say, unbagging video. Today we're going to be unbagging the FPV and signal upgrade for the H501s. You can get this upgrade anywhere from $11 to $15 on Amazon or Banggood, TomTop. They all have them. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and open this up. With this upgrade kit, you're going to get a 14 dBi FPV signal booster / antenna. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. And you also get two RMA adapters, or SMA adapters. I'm not sure which ones these are. These just plug and play right onto the board. And you also get, they say that this is an 8 dBi external antenna, but I don't know about all that. I'm probably going to end up getting another one of these with a little bit more decibel increase. But I don't have any videos of how to do the upgrade, and I probably won't because I usually just do unboxing and reviews. But I will link a video down below so you guys can go and watch how to do the upgrade if you've got the standard edition. That's all for this unbagging. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget, like and subscribe down below. Keep these videos coming in for you, the consumer. Go check us out on Facebook and check out my affiliate group, Drone Days, down below. See you guys later. Hope the weather's not killing y'all like it is me today. Peace out.